We have our peppermints in our heart-shaped pan. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our oven. My oven is set to 350, and it's only gonna be in there for a couple minutes. Perfect. Now while that's in the oven, grab a glass bowl, some strawberry Little Debbies. Look how cute those are. We're gonna go ahead and mush these up because they're not gonna be hearts no more. Yeah, oh my God, this strawberry smells so delicious. I wish you guys could smell it through this phone. Oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and grab some melted pink frosting and just do a little bit in there. That's plenty. We're gonna use the rest of that for something else. Go ahead and keep mushing. This is gonna help those Little Debbies get a cake pop truffle texture. Smasher. I know that looks weird now, but don't worry, we're gonna make this look really pretty. Grab a pan lined with parchment paper. And this time you're gonna use your washed hands. Grab a small amount, just like this, like a tablespoon. You want a tablespoon of that cake batter. And we're just gonna make it into a nice, beautiful, round cake ball, just like that. Put it right onto our parchment paper. This is such an easy and fun Valentine's Day treat. So easy to do with your kids. You just get the Little Debbies and a little bit of frosting and you have the most delicious cake bites, way better than Starbucks. You're gonna wanna make these year round. And I know that these strawberry hearts, Little Debbies, aren't available year round, but you can use like the zebra cakes, you can use Hostess cupcakes, whatever Little Debbie or cupcake you wanna use. Look how cute those are. And don't worry, we're gonna make them super festive. They're not just gonna be little pink balls. All right, just quickly. Okay, perfect 8 balls. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. Okay. Now, before we do the next step on these, I'm gonna go ahead and check our peppermint heart in there. Oh, it's not ready yet, but it will be in just a few more minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that leftover funfetti frosting that I had mentioned. So I melted this so that it had just like a creamy and smooth texture. I grabbed a fork, and this is what we're gonna do. Just drizzle it right on top of those cake balls, just to create a beautiful effect on top of them. Make them nice and pretty, so much prettier than how they were. So much better than Starbucks and so much cheaper and so much more delicious. Okay. Perfect. All right. And then of course this would not be complete without a little bit of sprinkles on top. And that will just stick right to that frosting. You can also do milk chocolate instead of frosting if you don't like the taste or you think the frosting's too sweet. But I just love that pink frosting, and then you get 2 uses out of it instead of just using a little bit for the inside of your cake balls. I just love cake balls. They're so good and so cute. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the fridge. Our beautiful things will be ready in just 10 minutes. All right, let's look at that heart shape. Ooh, it's not ready yet, but I have to show you what this looks like. See how they're starting to melt? Just needs a couple more minutes, and then it's gonna be completely melted and be a beautiful heart. Oh wow, look at that. Looks so beautiful. Now before this cools down, I'm actually gonna add some of those sprinkles into it so that it's just extra festive for Valentine. Look how cute that is. Okay, now we just let it cool for about 20 minutes. All right, it's fully cooled down. You can just go ahead and see how easy that was? Let's see if we can peel back our parchment paper now. It should come off super easy. There we go. So easy. That's why you gotta have that parchment paper on there. One more piece. Perfect. And there is our beautiful heart platter. Now remember we made those cake balls. I'm gonna go ahead and grab those out of the fridge. I cannot get over how these smell. And we can place our beautiful cake balls right on top of our heart platter for the most beautiful Valentine dessert. This is great for a party, kids' classroom party, you know, whatever you want to do. This is just fun for a birthday party too. Look how cute that is. I cannot get over how beautiful everything came out. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these cake balls now. Better than the little Dobbies by themselves. So good. Happy Valentine's, everyone.